You know that feeling when your client comes back to you for a second order? That feeling is just so wholesome. Since it's Diwali, we went bright and festive. A caramel gold lehenga with multicolored floral patterns and golden thread work, which is paired with a plum organza dupatta. And look at that bow tie blouse. Frankly speaking, this was my favorite detail to the dress. And the best part? You don't have to save this just for Diwali. Pair it with a polo neck tee, an ankle boots, leather jacket, and accessorize it very well for the boho twist. Dear Amala, your trust means the world to me. Thank you so much.